In May 2010, the Dengie Peninsula, Essex in the United Kingdom was the location for a showdown between a John Deere 7350 and a Claas 940 self-propelled forage harvester. The host for this benchmark was Dengie Crops, the largest fibre feed company in the country. Dengie Crops grows 5,000 hectares of alfalfa, which is dehydrated and then sold mainly as horse feed all over Europe. To verify the HP level of both machines, a dynamometer test was performed prior to the field test. The Claas 940 had a maximum power of 431 horsepower at 1,500 RPM, which was dropping off fairly quickly. The John Deere 7350 had a maximum power of 427 horsepower at 1,850 RPM, most of it being available from 1,600 to 1,900 RPM. The field test in the UK was performed in a flat field of alfalfa with an average yield of 7.5 tonnes of dry matter per hectare. Both machines were set to a theoretical length of cut of 22 millimeters, and each then harvested half of the field. During the harvesting comparison, the fuel consumption was permanently measured and documented with the officially approved measuring device of the supplier crop. To record the amount of crop harvested of each machine, every truckload was weighed and documented at the Dengie weighbridge. During the field test, the Claas 940 harvested in total 198 tonnes of crop in 1 hour and 40 minutes using 136.6 litres of fuel. The John Deere 7350 harvested in total 179 tonnes of crop in 1 hour and 16 minutes using 102.2 litres of fuel. These harvesting totals lead to the following results. The Claas 940 had a throughput of 118.7 tonnes per hour with a fuel consumption of 81.1 litres per hour. This means that the Claas used 0.69 litres per tonne of crop. The John Deere 7350 had a throughput of 142.8 tonnes per hour with a fuel consumption of 81.4 litres per hour, resulting in only 0.57 litres of fuel per tonne. 20% less fuel and 20% more throughput with the John Deere 7350. Different locations, different harvesting conditions, different power segment, but one clear result. The John Deere concept of self-propelled forage harvesters clearly shows its superiority with maximum throughput and minimum fuel consumption all over the world.